The experimental education.
Hello students of class 9, you are most welcome. इसके पहले आपने बिहाई बुक से 2 लेसन खत्म कर लिया है and I hope you have done all the assignments in your fair copy. Today we take the first lesson from another book of yours, Moments, and the first story from this book has been written by the writer Mulk Raz Anand. आपको पता होना चाहिए there are still many writers, Indian writers especially, who are doing best in English literature. Some of them we can recall as Anita Desai, Jhumpa Lahadi, Vikram Seth, and a number of writers who are doing their best literature in English. ये स्टोरी का सेटिंग, it's a very important thing, because without the setting of the story we cannot convert the whole story in a visualizing medium. स्टोरी ऐसे लिखी जाती है कि पढ़ने वाला सिर्फ शब्द न देखे बल्कि उसके सामने पूरे स्टोरी का पिक्चराइजेशन चलने लगता है. So let us have some discussion about the setting of this story. You know, just before 50 years of the present time, there were no such a colorful and full of different kind of facilities which are we having today. We are lacking. इस तरह की facilities नहीं थे. I am one of that generation. So what was the means of fun, happiness in those days? We had a number of fairs, मेला लगता था. घरों से हम अपने दादा के साथ या पिताजी के साथ इस तरह के मेले में जाते थे. बच्चों के लिए it was the tremendous means of happiness. बच्चों की खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं होता था. They were in 9 clouds. They were in heavens when they got the chances to visit such kind of fairs. ऐसे ही एक मेले में बच्चे के खो जाने की कहानी है. And what is the message of this story? The very message of this story is whether a child prefer the colorful things like toys, sweets like gulab jamun, barfi, jalebi, having a chance to go on roundabouts, or whether he like to have his parents. तो इस तरह का सिचुएशन आता है इस स्टोरी में, जब बच्चा मेले की हर चीज को चाहता है खरीद लेना, लेकिन बीइंग ए पुअर, his parents were not afford to buy the things in fairs. So let us start. आगे इंसिडेंट्स कैसे ट्विस्ट होते हैं, बहुत ही मजेदार कहानी है. A small child with his father and mother were on the way to the fair, and they had to move through the curly ways of the fields. खेतों से पहले रास्ते निकलते थे, and a flood of people who were cladded in colorful clothes, colorful turbans, and in such a scene the child was also moving towards the fair with his parents. On the way there were many shops were set. They were selling toys. As soon as the child looked at the toys, he had a wish to buy them, but he did not request to his parents, to his father, because he knew that the father will surely deny to buy it. So he suppressed himself, खुद को दबाते हुए. They were going through the mustard fields. The whole field was looking like a golden color. तिलहन के फूलों, पीले फूल चारों तरफ बिखरे हुए हैं, और उस रास्तों से वो गुजरते हैं. रास्ते में बच्चे को he found a dragonflies. He tried to catch them. There were many butterflies also fluttering on their wings. And after some time, his parents sat on the foundation of a well, and whenever the child was lag behind, पीछे छूट जाता था, the father and mother used to call him, come, come, come. The child went to his parents who were sitting on the platform of a well, कुएं के चबूतरे पे बैठे हुए थे. Just after a few minutes, the child heard the cooing of the dove, the birds, and it made him very joyful. And when he stood under a tree there was a shower of colorful flowers on him. It made him to take in seventh heavens. ये उसको स्वर्ग का आनंद दे रहा था. When they reached at the main gate of fair, there were a number of sweet shops. The boy stood in front of such sweet shop. He saw gulab jamuns, barfis, jalebis, rasgulla, and he became greedy. But he knew that there will be a cold denial in the eyes of his father. लेकिन वो जानता था कि जब खरीदने के लिए बोलेगा तो उसके पिताजी की आंखों में एक कोल्ड डिनायल, मना करने का बिल्कुल ही इमोशनलेस भाव, इमोशन उसको अपने फादर की आंखों में दिखाई पड़ेगा. सो ही केप्ट मूव्ड ऑन एंड आफ्टर सम शॉप्स ही सॉ ए शॉप ऑफ garland of flowers, फूलों की माला, and he wanted to buy it, but he knew that his father would say that what do you do with these cheap things? इन सस्ती चीजों का तुम क्या करोगे? So there also he saw a colorful balloons. He wanted to play with it, to buy it, but he knew that his father would say that you are too old to buy it. तुम छोटे बच्चे हो क्या बैलून से खेलोगे? So he moved on. He saw a snake charmer, सपेरा, जो बीन बजाते हुए मेलों में अपना खेल दिखाते हैं. The child was charmed with the snake charmer, and then he moved forward and he stood near a roundabout. पहले आप मेला में देखते होंगे कि गोल गोल घुमाने वाला एक होता है जिसपे बच्चे जो है एंजॉय करते हैं, चीखते हैं, चिल्लाते हैं. And this time the child was very strong in his wish, and he boldly told to his parents, while he knew that his parents were standing behind him. So he told to his parents without moving back that he wanted to sit on this roundabout. He again repeated, but there was no any response. Suddenly he got back and saw that there were no his parents. He started to cry deeply, moved by the miserable condition. While not finding out his parents, he started to move here and there, and when he became tired of crying, he started to sob. सुबकना शुरू कर दिया, बहुत ज्यादा रो लिया था, वो थक गया था. And suddenly he saw a big crowd tried to entering into temple. He went there through the legs of the flood of the people, and suddenly he cried again. A person saw him, lifted him in his lap. भला मानुस था, किसी ने देखा बच्चा रो रहा है, पैरों से कुचला जाएगा, उसे उसने गोद में उठा लिया. He took him out from the crowd, but still the boy was calling, "Where is my father? Where is my mother?" The person tried to soothe him, pacify him. शांत करने की कोशिश किया उस आदमी ने, but there was no any impact on the child. The person took him to the roundabout, asked him, उससे पूछा, "Do you want to sit on this roundabout?" अभी कुछ समय पहले जो बच्चा इतनी बोल्डली अपने पिता से रिक्वेस्ट करने वाला था कि मैं उस राउंड अबाउट पे बैठूंगा, नाउ ही इवन डिड नॉट लाइक टू सी टुवर्ड्स द राउंड अबाउट. अब वो उस राउंड अबाउट की तरफ देखने के लिए भी नहीं तैयार था. ही ओनली केप्ट क्राइंग, "Where is my father? Where is my mother?" The person took him to the snake charmer. The person took him to buy the balloons, colorful balloons. But the boy kept denying to look towards such things which were charming, attractive, and once he had wished to buy them. कुछ पल ये सारी चीजें उसे इतनी प्यारी थी, अब वो उनकी तरफ देखने के लिए भी तैयार नहीं था. And at last the person tried to find out his father and mother, but he was failed to find them. And the child still kept crying, "Where is my father? Where is my mother?" And this is the end of the story. You may think, such kind of ending of story? Yeah. The realistic stories have always such kind of approach. आगे की चीज रीडर्स को सोचने के लिए छोड़ दी जाती है. What is the moral of this story? माँ बाप दुनिया की हर चीज से सबसे ज्यादा प्यारे होते हैं बच्चों के लिए. बच्चा जिन चीजों के खरीदने के लिए इतना बेचैन था, रेस्टलेसनेस था उसमें, जैसे उसके माँ बाप दिखाई नहीं पड़ते हैं, उन चीजों की तरफ बच्चा देखना भी नहीं चाहता है. एंड ही ओनली वांट हिज मदर एंड फादर. दैट्स इट.